Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to latest exam current affairs. Today is 40 May 2020. 40 May 2020 current affairs important question by discuss this video. Now we will start question 1. Recently Samsung India decided to contribute 2 crore rupees to the Disaster Management Authority. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Samsung India has pledged a contribution of 2 crore to the Tamil Nadu State Disaster Management Authority. This will support the state fight against the COVID-19 crisis. It has also handed over grocery packet to the authorities for distribution among thousands of distressed migrant and non-regular workers in the districts of Kanchipuram and Cuddalore. Tamil Nadu state animal Nilgiri Tahar, state bird common emerald dove national park, Windy National Park, Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park, Indira Gandhi Annamalai National Park, Madumalai National Park, Mukurthi National Park. Next question is second. Recently, who has been appointed as Director General of World Intellectual Property Organization? Answer is Diron Tang. Diron Tang, Chief Exclusive of the Czech Intellectual Property Office and of Singapore IPOS, was officially appointed as the next Director General of the World Intellectual Property Organization (WIPO). Tang will take over the helm of WIPO on 1 October 2020 for a term of 6 years. This marks the first time a Singaporean will lead a UN agency and WIPO's first Director General from Asia. Next question is third. Recently, who has been included in the discipline panel of National Anti-Doping Agency? Answer is Akhil Kumar. Former Commonwealth Games gold winning boxer Akhil Kumar has been reducted into the National Anti-Doping Agency Disciplinary Panel. Anti-Doping Agency Disciplinary Panel. Akhil, who is also serving in Haryana Police ACP Gurugram, was formerly in the panel from 2017 to 2019. He is among the most accomplished names in India boxing and has also been the government observer for the support between 2017 and 2019. Next question is fourth. Recently, which state launched India's first hot air sealing machine? Answer is Gujarat. Gujarat CM Vijay Rupani launched India's first hot air sealing machine on 11 May 2020 from Gandhinagar through video conferencing. Makes the personal protective equipment PPE completely secure with specialized tape. By using the machine, the holes left in the sewing process in the PPE kit are sealed using specialized tape to make the PPE kit water and air proof to resist the virus. Gujarat state animal Asiatic lion, state bird Greater Flamingo National Park, Vanda National Park, Black Buck National Park, Gir Forest National Park, Marine National Park. Dams, important dams: Sardar Sarovar Dam, Narmada River, Okai Dam, Tapti River, Dantewada Dam, Banas River, Katana Dam, Mahi River, Kamleshwar Dam, Hiran River. Next question is fifth. Manmeet Singh Balia has passed away recently with which sport? Answer is table tennis. Manmeet Singh Balia, the former table tennis player, passed away in the May 2020. His solitary national championship title came in 1988 to 1989. In Hyderabad, Manmeet was one of the most consistent and prolific performance in Indian table tennis in the 1980s and represented the country at multiple international events. Next question is sixth. Which ministry has recently launched champion portal? Answer is Ministry of MSc. Union Ministry of MSc, none of these answer, has launched championship portal www.champions.gov.in. It is a technology driven control room cum management information system. The system is aimed at assisting Indian MSMEs march into the big log as national and global champions. The champions standard here for creation and harmonious application of modern process for increasing the output and national strength. Next question is seventh. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced how many rupees under the specially economic package? Answer is 20 lakh crore. 20 lakh crore. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a special economic package worth 20 lakh crore rupees for a self-reliant India. He addressed the nation on 12 May 2020. This package is equivalent the almost 10% of India GDP. He also said that lockdown 4 will be different and how new rules people will be informed about it before May 18, 2020. Next question is it. Recently, the second phase of Fellow India mission will be launched to bring back Indians from how many countries? Answer is 31. 31. Second phase of Vande Bharat mission will be launched from 16 to 20 to May 2020. Will bring back Indians from 31 countries. A total of 149 flights including feeder flighting will be deployed under the second phase. The list of destination countries in the second week of repatriation is being expanded to include countries such as Russia, Germany, Thailand, France, Spain, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. Next question is 9. Recently, which state has banned a transfer of government employees? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has put a ban on the all transfer of government employees for the current season 2020 to 21 till further order. Only in special cases transfer are possible after permission of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Meanwhile, the state government has requested railway to run intra-state trains from Madhya Pradesh border to send the laborers back to their native places. Uttar Pradesh state animal Barasinga state bird Saras crane national park, important national park, Dudhwa national park, dams important, Govind Vallabh Pant Sagar dam, Rehan river. Next question is 10. Recently, who addressed the India Bangladesh virtual conference organized by ASSOCHAM? Answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed the India Bangladesh virtual conference organized by ASSOCHAM. Answer is Dr. Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh Union Donor Minister of State Vanvasi Dr. Jitendra Singh addressed the India Bangladesh virtual conference organized by ASSOCHAM, Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India on 12 May 2020. It was attended by Minister of Commerce Bangladesh Tipu Munshi, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad Sangma, and Ms. Riba Ganguly Das, High Commissioner to Bangladesh. Among other, Bangladesh capital Dhaka, currency Bangladeshi Taka. Next question is 11. Recently, who released the world first nursing report 2020? Answer is WHO. WHO has released the first ever state of the world nursing report 2020. It has been developed by the World Health Organization WHO in partnership with the International Council of Nurses and the Global Nursing Now campaign. The report provides the latest, most up-to-date evidence on and policy option for the global nursing workplace. WHO headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Next question is 12. Which country will organize FIFA Under 17 Women World Cup in 21? Answer is India. The FIFA Under 17 Women's World Cup in India has been rescheduled for February 17 March 7, 2021. The tournament was initially scheduled to be held in India from November 2021 in 2020 and was subsequently postponed due to the pandemic. New dates were also announced for the FIFA Under 20 Women's World Cup. It will now be held between 20 January and 6 February 2021 in Panama and Costa Rica. Next question is 13. In which city DRDO Defense Food Research Lab DFRL has the newest mobile testing lab? Mobile testing lab DRDO. Answer is Mysore. Mysore has the newest addition of a mobile testing lab built by DRDO Defense Food Research and Lab DFRL. With the mobile laboratory and district will be able to test over 30% more samples a day, and it can reduce its dependence on Nihams in Bengaluru. The mobile lab, named as Spark, is a mobile microbial containment lab. Next question is 14. Recently, who wrote a book called Fear of God? Answer is Sai Chandra Vadan. Vadan has authored a new book titled Fear of God. Vadan, whose real name Boma Devra Sai Chandra Vadan, says that the book is about enforcing the law using an extreme form of justice delivery. This is Vadan's third novel after Agniputra, When Agni First Spoke, and Satru, published by Three Shades Books. The book has recently closed its screen adaptation deal. Next question is 15. Recently, the Telia handkerchief of which state has been given GI tag? Answer is Jharkhand. Answer is Jharkhand. Sorry, answer is Telangana. Jharkhand's Shohri cover painting and Telangana's Telia ruble were given the geographical indication GI tag on 12 May 2020. The Shohri cover painting is practiced by local rural women in Hazaribagh district of Jharkhand. Telia rumal cloth involves intricate handmade work with cotton loom displaying a variety of design and motifs in three particular colors: red, black and white. Telangana's state animal चीतल स्टेट वर्ल्ड, इंडियन रोलर नेशनल पार्क, काशु ब्रह्मांडा रेड्डी नेशनल पार्क, महावीर हरिना बंथाली नेशनल पार्क और मृगवानी नेशनल पार्क. Now will be complete question. Yesterday question answer. Recently in which state Black Panther was seen for the first time? Answer is Goa. Tomorrow question. Recently Freedom of Speech Award 2020 is being conferred. Answer is fill in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye. Good day. Have a nice day.